Welcome to the Arnold Bernhard Libraries tutorial on using DOIs, permalinks, and article URLs. In this video, we will learn how to use permanent links from articles in citations and in emails, how to check that the automatically generated link is working correctly, and to use the proxy prefix for opening links from off-campus. Many, but not all citation styles require using DOIs or permanent links in reference lists or works cited. Be sure to understand the requirements of your assignments. Many professors require article links even when the citation style doesn't. Using DOIs or permanent links will make it easier for your professor or another reader to get the right article. Also, note the citation style formatting of the link. Some require the full URL and others don't. For example, APA requires the full URL, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, and also requires DOIs to be in the URL format. MLA requires links to leave off the HTTP in beginning punctuation. CSE doesn't require links, but if you include them, that style favors the permanent link over the DOI and requires the full URL. Some databases automatically generate citations in a selection of styles, which can be very helpful to students. However, the database may not have the article's DOI or permanent link on file, so it will give the link to the article's citation within the database. Since a reader may have access to different databases, it's better to find the article's DOI or permanent link by following the QCheck for full text link wherever possible. This automatically generated citation has a link that doesn't go to the article directly, but the publisher's site shows a DOI for the article, even though we don't subscribe to this journal. The same thing can happen in RefWorks when you import the citation from a database that doesn't have a DOI or permanent link directly to the article. If this happens, you will have to edit the citation that RefWorks built for you using the correct DOI or another permanent link. A DOI or permanent link to an article that Quinnipiac subscribes to will be available on all campuses. Here's how to make it available off-campus, so you can email it to yourself or team members to read at home or in an off-campus setting. Add this entire link with all the punctuation to the full URL version of the DOI or to the permanent link. Make sure there are no spaces. When you open the link from an email or document off-campus, you'll be asked to log in, as usual, for off-campus access to databases. Here are some examples: a DOI and a permanent link with the proxy prefix added. These new URLs have an unusual format, with 2 HTTPS/character strings. This is correct. And always remember to check all DOIs, permanent links, and URLs in your paper and references before turning in. If you have any questions, feel free to ask a reference librarian who will be happy to help you.